Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to bake your easy lobster tail. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you must do is clean your lobster, then cut it in the center, just like so. And those are the ingredients that I will be using to bake my easy lobster tail. Next, I'm going to combine the butter with the seasoning, the lime juice, and chopped garlic. By the way, guys, I'm using unsalted butter. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and grease your pan. That is optional, guys. If you are enjoying today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. As you can see, I'm adding some salt, but that is also optional. You don't have to do it, especially if you are using salted butter. Alright, so now let's seasoning those lobster tail. You want to make sure that juice get everywhere, guys. Not only the outside, but you want to make sure the seasoning get everywhere. And you're going to love this, I'm telling you. Don't forget to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. And let it bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time.